see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Very good! May pumunta guys, nasa nasa kusina. Ayan yung mga bata. Baba! Say see ya! Ayan, tapos na kayo mag-dinner guys. And hinihintay na lang namin yung
When we don't trick-or-treating.
isang kasama namin. Sabay kasi kami. Yes? Do you wanna go now outside? Yeah, wait for Amy. Yeah, we have to wait for the kids. May hinihintay lang kasi kami. Then alis na kami. Linagyan ko na siyang konting lollies. Oh. Put it back, Baba. The kids are here.
Yeah.
Okay, put it back, Papa. Wow! Oh, no, don't eat, Baba. Because you're close later, Baba. Okay? Okay, later.
What's that?
What's that? What's that? Oh, what? Unicorn yung niya, yung cape.
Oh, what's that?
Oh. Hi. Yeah, yours. Later, Papa. Good girl.
Yeah, I got.
Okay, let's go, boys. Sally, come on. Trick or treats.
Trick-or-treat.
Trick or treat. Are you ready?
Yeah,
Okay.
let's go.
Come on.
What's that?
Oh, Baba, don't eat that first, okay? We have to wait for the kids.
That's hard.
Baba. Hi. Oh, come here, Tisak. Hurry up. Yeah, wait, Baba. No, not yet, Baba. Say hi.
Yes, why? That's a weird question.
Okay, let's go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, come on, kids.
You gonna come?
Yeah, come on. Let's go, Holly. We're going now.
That has just right. Watch the cars.
I'm silly, mate. Come on, hurry up. See ya.
Yeah.
Baba.
We will.
Baba, let's go. Say see you, Daddy.
Watch the road, cars there.
See you, Daddy. Come on. Did you get some, Kuya? It's alright. Did you get some, Sak? Let me see. Oh. Okay, let's go. Hold your sister, Kuya. Yeah. Kuya. Let me see what you get there, Baba. Sisak, isa pa lang, oh.
Only
Kuya.
got one.
You only got one, Kuya.
Yes. Tyson, cars.
Go, Baba. Go get some lollies there. Come on. Go get some lollies. Go. Get some lollies. Oh, natakot si Holly. There, Baba. I'll get some. Get some, Baba. Oh, get some, Holly. Go.
Good doggy.
Baba, get more, Baba. Get close. Get some. Get some. Sak, get some, Sak. There, Baba. Nahihiya siya. Get some. Get some. Nahihiya siya, oh. Isa lang ang kinukuha nila. Okay, put in your...
I'll bring her back in a minute. We'll go up to Zane. Next door.
Kuya, did you get some? Yeah, go get more. How about you, Holly? Say see ya. Say thank you. Thank you. Come on. Come. Oh, look at that. Where are you, Kuya? Kuya, get some. Holly. Holly. You want some Baba? Oh, Baba. Baba. Get some lolly. Get some lolly. Get some lolly.
Can I get one for you, Bobby?
Here, Kuya.
You got a drink?
Get some, Kuya. One more.
Did you get a word? Okay, this is the best house.
Did you get some, Zach? You get some?
Thank you.
How about you, Papa? You get some? Did you get Coke, Kuya?
No.
You shouldn't get some.
Get one?
No, it's done.
Where do you go? That mask looks cool.
Mahiyain yung dalawa. Kunti lang ang kinukuha nilang lollies.
You know what? Sorry.
Kuya, put your mask.
No, it came falling off me. Listen.
Go, Baba!
Do you know what? I'm not used to living in town, and I'm not used to people coming. But
Let's go to Jackson.
all good. We'll hold you to that guy.
I need pizza.
Here you go, Holly. Say thank you. Did you get some for Holly?
No, I just didn't.
Ah, okay. Oh, yeah. Wait, Baba, later when we get home. Pick that one, please. Put in your bucket. Good girl. Okay, let's go. Run. Hi, Sak. Naiwanan na siya, oh. Where are they, Baba? Huh? Call them. Tinatawag niya si Kuya. Go, call Kuya. Okay, let's go.
Heavy. It's easier walking barefoot for me. You gotta wear
Kuya.
I'm not tired.
What are you, Sak? What do you call that? Wolf. What are you, Kuya?
Zombie mommy.
Zombie mommy. What are you, Holly?
Unicorn.
Unicorn.
Baba,
Yan mo siya, para siya nagmumuni-muni, oh. Hurry up!
like, what I have in me. Look at my hair.
Your hoodie? Okay. Pagod na ako. Ayan na sila. Go, Baba!
Someone took 2 handfuls. This tattoo's mom.
Okay.
Can I get one? See ya! Oh, I want to
You can get some for her, Zach. You can get some for her. Say thank you. Okay, come on. Say thank you. Come on, Papa. Uy. Come on. See ya. Thank you. Bye. Okay, come on, Ollie.
Back to my house.
Let me see.
The tattoo.
Yeah?
Have one, please. Can I have a lollipop?
Yeah.
Oh, what kind of lollipop?
Don't show it to Holly.
Can you open, please? I got the marshmallow. No matter how many cats.
Go, smile, Baba. Alright. Okay, smile, Baba. Holly. 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 Kuya. Sak. Where's Holly? Oh, come on. Here.
Mom, can you please hold her?
Go, Baba, go. Go. Okay, go. See ya. Kuya, just get some for Holly. She's very slow. Okay, get some, Holly.
Let's go. Why you don't want it?
Okay, good. Good. What you gonna say? Say thank you.
Thank you, Baba.
You got one? You got one good. Oh, is it heavy now, Baba? It's getting heavier now. You want mommy to hold it?
Oh, my God.
Okay.
Have this one?
Binigay niyo na sa akin, no?
Mom, this one's getting heavy too.
Okay, mama will hold this. Bumibigat na yung ano nila, oh. Yung bucket.
Do you want to try? My bucket's gonna get really.
Do you know Libby? Libby that does
Yes, Baba.
school? That's her house there.
Hold Maya's hand.
Thank you.
Okay, you can hold her. She wanna hold her hand. Okay, go hold Baba. Oh, okay, okay. Let's go. Other hand, Baba. No, this way, Baba.
This one.
Okay, let's go. Yeah, slowly, okay? Oh, that's so cute. Come on. Good girl. Good girl, Baba. Wow. Are you gonna be best friend? Huh? When you go to school together? Huh? Oh, hold Maya. Oh, that's sweet. Come on, Baba. Careful. Napag-iwanan na siya. Hawakan ko ulit. Kinuha niya kanina man. No, this is sack. Careful. How about Holly? Let Holly grab some. Go, Baba. Get some, Baba. Good girl. Okay, say thank you. Don't eat that, Baba. Yucky, Baba. Ew. No. Okay, let's go.
God, how many have got these? My God, my bag.
Manners. Yeah, okay, come on. Yeah. Okay, done. What are you doing, Baba? Huh? What are you doing? Huh? What?
And then we'll go around to your place.
Wow. Oh.
I got one of them.
Okay, come on. Okay, come on, Baba. Okay, good boy. Okay, let's go. Stop na naman kami. Wow, later that, Baba, later. Not yet. Kanina pa. Pagod na ako. Hindi pa sila napapagod, oh. Tingnan mo siya. Ang bigat na ng, ano niya, bucket niya. Ando na yung mga boys. Wait, Baba. Bilis nila. Hindi na kayo makahabol ni Holly. Did you get some for Holly?
Yeah, I got that one.
Okay, thank you.
Dad's favorite.
We'll walk around because these guys haven't been to Nana. No, wait there.
Okay, come on, Zach. You get some for Holly?
How did you say that?
You get some for Holly? Here. Here. Thank you.
Do you know the number?
Thank you, Nak.
Following Callum to a Callum.
Okay. She just grabbed that bucket and then Okay, go, Holly. Inagaw niya yung bucket niya sa akin. Okay, go there, Baba. Yeah. Good boy, Kuya. Okay, Holly. What you gonna say? Get Lolly, Baba. Get Lolly, Baba. So you're gonna say thank you. Thank you.
You got some more? Okay, you got
One more. Oh, they're special. They're getting more.
Let's see. Let me look.
Okay, say thank you. Oops, that's it, Holly.
Get out of. They're gonna go anyway. I think that's probably the last of the kids.
Okay, that's it, Baba.
kids all laugh. I don't even know who they were, but the 12-year-old, whatever.
Nag-stop na naman siya and then nagdidig. What are you looking? This one? I got more here, oh. No, this. Here. Oh, here. Oh, one only.
Mom,
Yes?
Holly always gets the Skittles. Have Skittles?
No.
Yeah,
That's her. Okay. Let's go, Baba. Come on. Oh, your star.
But it's from the bin bag.
That's not bean bag, Kuya. Bucket. Okay, let's go. Si Holly. Nakikipaghabulan din siya. Wait, Baba. Okay. There, oh.
Thank you.
Right, we can go to. We've got 3 more.
Say thank you. Oh, you Do you get some sack? Okay. Are you having fun? What? Wow, that's a lot now. Yeah. Oh, nag-stop na naman siya. Oh. That's enough, Papa. Oh, wow. Let me see. Open. Wow. There, yes. Kuya sex is over. Is your feet hurting now, Baba? Kanina pa siya naglalakad, oh. Naglilimping na siya, oh. Stop na naman kami, guys. Ha? Ilang beses tayo nag-stop. Hoy, mamaya na yan, come on. Kaya tayo na pag-iiwanan. Halika na. Later na. Choco later. Choco is later, Baba. Okay? Okay, come on. Come on. Look. Nasaan na sila? Ang layo na nila. Eh? Ah, okay. Okay. Careful. Slowly, Baba. Binigay niya na sa akin para makatakbo siya, oh. Huh? Your shoes? What's wrong with your shoes? I don't know. Is it hurting? Oi! Is it hurting? Okay. Come on. Come kay mommy. Wait. Come on kay mommy. Okay. Good girl. Oh, up, up. Okay. Up. Up na daw siya. Ah. Ayan. Nagpakarga na siya. Oh. Pagod na yung paa niya. Kanina pa kami lakad ng lakad, no? Right, Baba? Say yes. Say opo. Opo. Okay. Thank you. Say thank you. What? What you got? Oh, that's a big lollies. Yes. When you get home. When you get home, Baba. Okay, let's go. Stop na naman siya. Hoy. Hoy. That's enough. Later and Choco, Baba. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Quick. They're far na naman, oh. Ibibigay niya naman to sa akin. Okay. Mamaya, kukunin niya naman to sa akin pag pumunta siya sa, sa bahay. Oh, no. Ngayon, kukunin niya na naman yung bag. Kasi pupunta na siya dun sa isang bahay, oh. Pagtapos na siya mag-collect ng candy, binibigay niya sa akin. Okay, go, Baba. Okay, go. Go get some. Okay, say thank you. Say thank you. Okay, thank you. Yeah, okay. Okay.
Open, Mama.
Okay.
Jimmy's open. Oh, good idea.
Huh? Oh, Papa.
Although you do not want to make
You good?
it.
Say thank you. We're done. What you gonna say? Oh, which one? What you gonna say? Say thank you.
Yeah, you want more?
Amy.
This is my house. So Tyler and Lucy.
House, Kuya, we're going back home. We're done.
See on Friday.
Yeah, when we get home, Baba, yes.
Go to the show.
Hurry up, Baba. Uwian na, guys. Paggabi na. Siguro mga more than 2 hours kami nag-walking. Nag-house to house. Ah, ma'am, pagod na ikaw? Okay, come on. I-carry ka na ni Mami. Ayan, pagod na sila. Is it a lot?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, wait, because I'm carrying Holly to Kuya. Okay. No, you hold that.
No, mine.
I see she's holding hers daw. Oh. Ayun na si Saka. Ah. My arms is killing me now, Holly. Please help Mommy. Thank you. Kasi kinakarga ko na si Holly. Ang bigat. Okay, come on. Okay, you wanna walk? Okay, good. Ah, pagod.
Open up. Hi, Prickle Freeze. How much candy is that?
Baba, what you get, Bobby? What you get? Give it up.
Mom, I'm so happy.
Are you so happy?
Mom, I found a lot of skin.
Huh?
This is good, Halloween. Mom, I found some spiders.
Back, let me see
I
yours.
got your favorite.
Wow. Did you have fun?
Yes. Hi, Dad.
Ito yung kay Sak. How about Holly?
Dad,
Show me yours, Holly.
remember?
Let me see what you got.
No, you're
Say,
right. Put it there. That's
say Happy Halloween.
nice.
Very good. Ito yung kay Holly.
Balik mo.
Ayan, madami din oh. Wow! Yes.
Oh,
Oh,
tonight I'm doing one here.
yeah, show me. And you have to put it back, okay? Ito yung kay Sak. Wow!
God!
Oi.
Okay, put it back here na, Baba. Let me see yours. Wow. That's a lot.
Dad, look, I got a big one.
Okay, guys, we're gonna close the vlog. Say close the vlog.
Next time is Halloween again.
Okay, say happy.
Happy Halloween!
Say good night. Say good night.
Good night.
Bye.
Good night. Kiss Mom.
Okay, good night.
Good night. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Okay, bye. May pasok siya bukas. Okay, bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Okay, good night, guys. Kapagod yung ano namin. Yung ginawa. Mga 2.5 hours kami naglakad. And, yeah, sobrang nag-enjoy yung mga bata. So, yun, guys. So, sana ma-upload ko siya today para mapanood nyo. So, yun, guys. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in my next vlog. See you. Good night.